welcome back to YouTube Tales for Twos and Threes. I'm Miss Lauren from the Carmel Clay Public Library, and we've got lots of fun songs, stories, and rhymes for you today. We are actually going to be using egg shakers in today's story time, so if you need to pause the video to either find something that shakes, or you can also check the link below that has a video about how to make your own egg shaker using stuff from around the house. I'm gonna grab my egg shaker right now. There we go, and leave it right here because we've got to get started with our Glad to See You song before we can play with our shakers. Here we go. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands everybody, clap your hands. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet everybody, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Shake your hips, everybody, shake your hips. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Nod your head and show you're glad to see me too. Nod your head, everybody, nod your head. Nod your head and show you're glad to see me too. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Last one. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Blink your eyes and show you're glad to see me too. Blink your eyes, everybody, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes and show you're glad to see me too. Nod your head and show you're glad to see me too. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Yay! Good job, you guys! Now, before our first story, we're going to do our rhyme song to get our wiggles out. It's pretty easy, but I'll have the words next to me. We wiggle and stop. We wiggle and stop. We wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and wiggle and stop. Good job. Now we're gonna jump, okay? We jump and we stop. We jump and we stop. We jump and 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 we stop. Yay! Now can we clap our hands? We clap and we stop. We clap and we stop. We clap and we stop. Yay! We'll do one more. We're gonna stretch, okay? We stretch and we stop. We stretch and we stop. We stretch and 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 we stop. Good job, you guys. All right, my shaker today is shaped like an egg. So the book we're going to read is called First the Egg by Seeger, published by Brook Press. First, the egg. Oh, cool. Then it hatches into a chick and the chicken. Isn't that so cool? There's a hole in the page. So you have the white egg and then the yellow chick. First, the tadpole. What's that gonna turn into? Then it gets some legs and turns into the frog. First, the seed. Then it grows into the flower. How pretty. First, the caterpillar. We know what caterpillars turn into, right? Then they turn into chrysalis, and then the butterfly. Oh, this one's weird. First, the word. Then, the story. And the story says, once upon a time, there was an egg and a chicken and a tadpole and a frog and a seed and a flower and a caterpillar and a butterfly. First, the paint, the pretty blue color. Then, the picture. And the picture has the butterfly and the flower and the frog. And first, the chicken. Then the chicken goes to his nest to lay the egg. The end. Wasn't that book so cool? How there were holes in the pages, and when you flipped it, it changed into something different. I really liked how the egg changed into the chicken. Speaking of which, our first song that we're gonna do with our egg shakers is called I Know a Chicken. Normally we listen to the CD that has Laurie Berkner on it, but just like our other songs, I'm gonna sing the words and I'll have them up next to me so you can sing along too. Here we go. I know a chicken and she laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Shake it fast. Shake it fast. Shake it fast. Can you guys shake it fast? Shake it fast. Shake it fast. Shake it fast, fast, fast. Yeah, good job. Here we go again. Oh, I know a chicken and she laid an egg. Oh, I know a chicken and she laid an egg. Oh my goodness, it's a shaky egg. Now shake it slow. You shake it slow, you know how it goes. Shake it slow, 'cause you know how it goes. But we like to shake it fast. Shake it fast, fast, fast. Yay! Good job, you guys. There is more to that song, so if you want to check out her CD from the library, you can. But for right now, we're going to go to our first egg shaker rhyme called Shake Your Shaker. And it's to the tune of London Bridge, and I'll have the words up next to me. Here we go. Shake your shakers in the air. Shake it here, shake it there. Shake your shakers in the air. Shake your shakers. Shake it high and shake it low. Shake it yes, shake it no. Shake it high and shake it low. Shake your shakers. Shake it up and shake it down. Rub your shaker on the ground. Shake it up and shake it down. Shake your shakers. Shake it near and shake it far. Drive your shaker like a car. Shake it near and shake it far. Shake your shaker. Shake it fast and shake it slow. Shake it stop, shake it go. Shake it fast and shake it slow. Shake your shakers. Good job, you guys. All right, I got one more rhyme to do with our shaker, and just like last week, this rhyme's really great for when it's time to put our toys away. So I have the words up next to me. Here we go. Shake it to the east and shake it to the west. Shake it all around and then we take a rest. Shake your shakers up and shake your shakers down. Shake it, and then we settle down. Good job, you guys. You can put your shaker on the table or on the floor, and you can join me over at the felt board for our next story. All right. We've done a bunch of stories about chickens and eggs, so I thought it's only fair to do a story about ducks and eggs. This one's called Daisy and the Egg, and it's written by Jane Simmons and published by Little Brown and Company. And I've got some friends to help me with it today. I've got Daisy the duck and her mama. Fix those legs. And her Aunt Buttercup. Daisy the duck lived with her mother and her Aunt Buttercup in a beautiful nest in a pond in the country. At the time this story takes place, it was a very exciting nest to live in because there were 4 eggs in it. 3 of the eggs belonged to Aunt Buttercup. Can you help me count them? We've got 1, 2, 3. And 1 egg, the green one, was Mama's duck. There we go. Aunt Buttercup was sitting on the eggs to keep them warm. "May I sit on one too?" asked Daisy. She tried, but it wasn't easy. "You'll have a brother or sister soon," said Aunt Buttercup. Daisy was so excited. The very next day, Aunt Buttercup began flapping her wings. Can you guys flap your wings like Aunt Buttercup? Flap, flap, flap. They're hatching, she called. One of Aunt Buttercup's ducklings had cracked its shell. Daisy watched her first cousin struggle out of his egg. Got 1 duckling. Wasn't that so cool? Can you help me count as the other 2 come out? We've got 1 duckling, 2 ducklings, and 3 ducklings. Yay! Mama Duck and Aunt Buttercup talked about names for the new cousins, but Daisy sat by Mama's green egg and waited. She thought she heard something, but nothing happened. They all listened, but still there was no sound from the green egg. Mama Duck sat on the green egg all night. Move Mama over. Here she goes. But it still hadn't hatched by the next day. "Some eggs just don't hatch," said Mama. "Come and play with your cousins, Daisy," said Aunt Buttercup. But Daisy wanted to stay with Mama's egg. Daisy made a hole in her feathers, rolled the egg in, and sat on top of it. Put Daisy back on top. Here we go. It was getting dark, and Daisy was cold and tired. Mama Duck came and sat with Daisy, and they both fell asleep sitting on the green egg. Pip, pip, pip! Daisy woke up. It was the egg! Her brother was struggling to get out of his shell. Pip, 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 pip. Oh, he's almost out. Almost. Yay! Pip, pip, pip. There's Daisy's brother. Quack, said Daisy. Pip, pip, said her brother. Hello, Pip, said Daisy's mother. And together they watched the golden sun rise over the pond on little Pip's hatching day. The end. Can you guys all say bye-bye to the ducks? Bye, ducks, bye-bye. And now it's time for us to say our goodbye with our goodbye rhyme. We'll hop on over so we can do that. All right, here we go with our goodbye rhymes, guys. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink my eye. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Next week, we're going to be playing with scarves, so be sure to dig up your old winter gear or find some flowy fabric around the house. We'll have lots of fun. Until then, I know normally I'd be giving you guys a stamp right now, and if you've got any stamps at home, you might ask an adult to get one for you and stamp your hand. But for those of you who don't, I've got one here for you. Bye!